We have an ant update. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, the little one stop to suck his thumb, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching two by two. Well, yeah, they're still marching in my house. But thanks to Kate's suggestion, I put out cinnamon because I had it, and it has cut the numbers down, so I hope that's working. And they only come out in the morning. I mean, I'll wake up and they're there, and by the time I take care of the dogs, get coffee, play Sudoku, come back, they're greatly diminished. And then I get out the vacuum cleaner and suck them up and stick the vacuum cleaner out on the porch, so in case the ants are getting out of the vacuum cleaner, go free, little guys, out of my house. Another update, I got my passport. It expired April 1st, and I had sent it in for to make sure that I would have a passport to travel with in May. I just got it. Yeah, so que sera? What's going on in your world today? I thought I would share bugs with you, seeing how we've got this ant thing, and so let me pull up another bug song. This is a section of a song with a bug in it. Let's see if you recognize this. And should I do more kids songs like this? I know a lot of you have grandkids, and some of you have kids of your own. There's a little black bug floating on the water, a little black bug doing what he oughta. He tickled the frog on the lily pad at the little duck bit, and he said, I'm glad I'm a little black bug floating in the water. Buzz, buzz, buzz. So I grew up with Burl Ives singing that song. So did you have that song in your repertoire as a kid? Oh. So I have another bug song. Let's see if I can make it through it. It's been a long time since I've had to speak Spanish. I used to go down there to Mexico every winter for a couple of weeks because it was medically necessary growing up in Fairbanks and doing a career in Fairbanks, where it's just got dark in the winter. So I go down and I had a surf club that I belonged to. But I don't know if you can see this, but this is a shadow box with all sorts of beautiful bugs. I'm actually pretty fascinated by bugs. Don't know much about them. And so if there's any entomologists out there, do you have a friend that's an entomologist? Let's see if I can do the Spanish. La cucaracha, ya no puede caminar, porque la tiene, porque le falta una pata para andar. Una cucaracha grande se pasa en la cocina y la canta de mi madre, le he cogido un partida. La cucaracha ya no puede caminar porque no tiene, porque le falta marijuana, no fumar. Yeah, I belong to a surf club. You can imagine the crowd that I hung with, right? Anyway, how's your ukulele day going? I filmed 3 videos for my John Prine lesson, the example songs. I had a good time doing that. They should be up tomorrow so that my patrons that are at that level can start studying up on those songs. Any suggestions for what I should talk about? I have several kicking on the animal songs. How to use Patreon. I can do that because there's actually somebody I want to patronize and some people I want to bump up my patronage to, and I'd be happy to show you how that works on Patreon in case you're curious. Let me know in the comments down below. Keep spreading the ukulele love.